It's a 360-acre solar site, 128,000 solar modules. I'm a general foreman for Egan Companies, been with Egan for 6 years. So the setup time is very, very short. I mean, it's just starting the equipment, getting everybody with the proper PPE, ladders, everything in position, and then it's go time. Main contact, Jeremiah Carlson, started with that relationship on this project. Had a rental company that could not suit our needs, and Jeremiah's filled that role well.
The equipment was brought in last fall to help move and shuffle people around. Obviously, labor and the manpower is a big thing, so that the CUVs and the UTVs cut down on that. Also, the cold weather applications, they've kind of used these. Our UTVs are fully enclosed with hard-sided doors and crank windows, so they'd use those almost as warming houses to warm up, especially on those cold days up here. So that's been really nice. Again, the generators have assisted with heat and light.
Egan worked directly with me to set up the maintenance schedule, and then from there, our team at Ziegler put them on a rotation, and then it pretty much works like clockwork. They just know every 10 weeks they come out and take care of the service on the generators and look them over.
Using the UTVs, they can get us places where just pickup trucks can't. They can get us there faster, smoother ride. In the spring, going through the mud, just pickup trucks wouldn't be an option. Navigating the small roads, they've been definitely an asset here on site.
During the winter season, we had a lot of snow, not navigable by vehicles as much as it would be with the UTV. They assisted with that, getting up and down roads that we couldn't get snow removed. The UTVs worked out well.
Any given day, we can set the modules you see behind me. They're about a little smaller than a piece of plywood, about 75 pounds a piece, and we can get about 1,200 done.
We've been able to take care of the start of the project all the way to the end with generator and fuel cubes, and then CUVs, skid steers and telehandlers, so everything in between. So they haven't had to source another vendor for equipment. They kept everything in-house, which has been great from a service standpoint. Well, service has been so critical on this site because obviously our Fergus Falls location's right in town, and that's what's been appealing to Egan, right? And that's why we were able to partnership with these guys. And that's, I think, really why this project's been so successful, because we get a call or an email or a text, a piece of equipment's down, we're out literally within a couple hours. We're getting that machine up and running, and if it's not, we're swapping it out.
Relationship with Ziegler has been great. Communication has been very open. With a construction site this large and this many individuals, with the equipment that we have on hand, stuff breaks often, and Ziegler's been very quick to make repairs or get what we needed when we needed it. With having it this close, it was as easy as a phone call, and Tanner did a great job oftentimes getting the repairs made that day.
Yeah, this project's the first project I've actually worked with them. I've been very pleased. The communication's there. When issues arise, they work with us to limit any impacts that might have on our job site, whether it's maintenance or a broken belt on a UTV. They promptly respond to our needs.
Yeah, so on the larger projects or for customers at their offices, special safety days, whatnot, employee appreciation days, Ziegler will bring a barbecue out and we'll show our appreciation by grilling up lunch. And it goes a long way. It really allows us to kind of get our customers outside of the office or outside of the job site and get to know them a little bit better. So it's fun, and we're outside in this beautiful weather, so it's great.
So it helps the relationship. The crew loves food. Putting food in their belly, they love everything about it, anything free.
I really enjoy working with customers and helping them figure out a solution that's going to work for them. And then obviously helping the people, working with different people, different companies, and every day is different.